I set up and ran this PA system in this super reflective room. It had concrete floors, no acoustic treatment, mostly glass walls. Oh, and it's not a music venue, it's a vintage arcade. Of course I played games. What are you, nuts?
How do you reload?
This gig was chaotic, but we were eventually able to settle down and get things done. So here's how it all went down, starting with the calmest portion, the load-in. Thanks. This is way better than I thought. Oh, this is a lot.
How many runs do you need?
I think like 4 circuits would do it. I don't know how much power these things draw.
This one's basically maxed out. I think one of these drop downs is 15 amps and they're all
Oh.
breakers. So I have this one here that we can route over here. But
Yeah, I mean if you could do something like that, my equipment, the tops and the subs draw 2 amps each at max.
Gotcha.
Then the band has a bass cab and then a guitar cab.
Okay, I'll get you 2 runs over here and then we can pull
So
on.
I guess they have it from the ceiling, how they power all their games. So he's just gonna run 2 circuits from the ceiling, and then I'm also gonna use one from the corner of the stage.
Every day, but I don't. You say if I write things down, then I'll know myself better, but I probably won't. I know that there is something I should do to be a healthy human. That's what I wanna do. I don't think
Yeah,
how can you show
they're kind of not done setting up.
me? I promise
Trying to do what I can.
I'll listen
Yep.
this time. I promise I'll listen.
It's highly likely that they'll be dropping red confetti like blood and carry at the end.
Oh no. Okay. Okay. Whatever. Okay.
Just baby, tell me what I'm supposed to do to be a healthy human. That's what I wanna do, but I don't think I know how. Can you show me? Can you show me? I promise I'll listen. I promise I'll listen.
Alright, well, we just need them to get their stuff off stage. You know?
This time. You say if I go to therapy, I can move on from my past. But you and I both know we can't.
Go by the colors. Yep. It feels nice. It's satisfying. It's got a nice click to it.
With where I'm at. I really don't want to,
But we gotta wait,
but I gotta
obviously.
ask my dad. Healthy human, healthy human, healthy human. I wanna be a healthy human, healthy human.
Well, I don't know. I'd put the subs down, but I don't think he's done. Bass, keys, potentially tracks, bass 2, keys 2. Okay.
All this stuff is plugged into these snakes, and these snakes are all just plugged into the DL32.
Yep.
And the DL32 just plugs into the XL32.
Yeah. That deal via Cat 5.
VA Cat 5.
Yeah. All right. Like I can just pick up what everything is. I'm gonna gaff it a little bit.
Yeah, you can gas it
Okay.
right there, however you want.
Yeah. I don't. Are you lead singer? I don't know where they went, but if you want to hop up here, we're free to do whatever you want.
Oh, 1 2 1 2 check check check. Oh. Sounds good to me.
Okay. Yeah. What do you like to cue off of in your monitors? Do you keys, his keys?
His keys, loops.
Yeah. You want the loops in here? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those are really the keys and loops are the most important because I can hear the bass, the drums. Oh yeah.
We got all set up. They're not using my in-ear monitoring system because I forgot to engage the RF buttons, the radio frequencies, the wireless part. So we went to Plan B and used all the in-ears that they brought, which work fine and they're happy. But just a reminder to always flip that blue switch on your Shure in-ear monitors to make sure that the signal's actually being sent to the receivers. We're just waiting for the show to start and then we'll shoot some more video. That'll make
One more
things
time
fun.
again. Thank you so much for having a good night. Please get more drinks for your bartenders. Tip your bartenders. Let me know if you need anything else. You have a-
Well,
One more time for your coffee.
the confetti wasn't great, but it wasn't my mess to clean up. Time to wind up some cables, pack up the snakes, and get the f out of here. Because we all know, nothing good happens after midnight.
That was weird, wasn't it?
Too fucking weird.
So, we packed up the car as quickly as possible and watched our backs while we did it. And that was that.
All right, this is what I was talking about.
Thanks for watching, guys. And y'all stay safe out there.